The sculpture has been drying for a few days, and I think this is about the most detail I'm going to get on the face. There's a little bit more that I want to try to do with it. I'm wondering if going larger might be the answer that I need as far as getting practice with working with some of these details before I go smaller again. Sometimes I find when I'm working that either scaling up or scaling down the project allows me to work on refining different parts of the process. So I may do that with a future sculpture. I may try to go with a face or a bust of a figure and do that larger and then come back down and work smaller again. But this piece has dried fairly well. We've started filling in the body structure, and all that's left to do is a few details on the face, do the hands, and fill out the rest of the figure and add the hair. And then I will be able to start painting. So let's get to work.